student, welcome to my YouTube channel 7th standard English workbook lesson number 1.3. Question 1 and answers. Question 1 A1, question A1 and answers. Next question A2, questions and answers. Next question A3, questions and answers. Question 1, questions and answers. Question 2, questions and answers. Question A, question 1, grammar. Question 1 and question 2, questions and answers. Next, open-ended question 1, questions and answers.